Hello, my friends and creative makers. Do you love making beautiful things with fabric? Do you ever overwork yourself trying to finish a project? Are you working to meet unrealistic deadlines? Are you running your life on someone else's schedule or time frame? Do you know how to say no? Are you comfortable with having difficult conversations with customers, friends, or family? I'm asking you these questions because there was a time in my life when it felt like it was truly out of control. Entrepreneur, wife, mother, friend. I didn't have the balance that I needed to live a healthy lifestyle. But that all changed one day when I realized I needed change. I created systems and processes for my business that allowed me to know when it was time to go home, turn the lights off, and go home. It allowed me to take breaks when I was working unhealthy. It allowed me to have the confidence to say no if I knew that I wasn't going to be able to do my best work. And I'm so excited to now have the ability to share these systems and processes with you. Whether you just want to make a pretty pillow for your home or something gorgeous for your home, or you're a seasoned professional, these systems and processes have something for you. And I want to share those with you. That's why I am so excited to let you know that my Designs by Donna membership site is now available. You can have access to these 24/7 when you become a member. These are documented by way of video classes, PDF downloads, blogs, and once a week we have a live Zoom call, 1 hour a week, where you can come and get real-time help from me and the other members who join us. And in the community within the membership site, you can post your questions and find answers. And I am so excited to share this with you because I want you to love your sewing journey. If you're a business person, I want you to love your business, but I also want you to love your personal life. And I want you to understand that you can have a personal life when you are an entrepreneur. You can have a strong, healthy business. You have what it takes to rise to the top, but you need to give yourself permission. I hope that you will join this membership site and know that I am here for you, and I am constantly adding new content to the membership site. I hope you'll join us. I really want to help you to become the best you that you can be and love your sewing journey. Hit the Join Now button and join us.